I initially opened this up. Let me get you oriented. You can see that. And you can see this. There was a puddle spilled out of here, and I've since smeared it with my arms all over the table. But that suggests a capacitor. But I've found other problems. Let me point it out to you. If you'll notice on these, I'm going to zoom in. But some of them are not soldered. Okay, let it focus. If you'll notice this right here, that's not soldered. And this appears to have peeled up off of the board, and perhaps that's no longer making contact with the circuit. All of these, if you'll notice, and that's on the treble pot. Now, someone has done some repairs here, but these are not, some of them aren't soldered at all. I'm going to get a little bit closer. You can see. Now I'm going to compare it to a normal one. These are all soldered. You can see. Okay. Okay. Also, this is nasty. This flux was nasty. Let me get you back oriented again. This is all nasty in here. And by the way, some of this surface conformal coating, which it can start conducting electricity and short things out, but I don't think that's a problem. I don't think that's a problem on any of the boards, but I just wanted to tell you about some of that conformal coating, especially the Sony brand of conformal coating. After a while it turns brown, but this right here is just nasty flux and kind of cold solder joints, or not even soldered joints, and it looks like a detachment is right there at the treble. Now, what does that have to do with volume? You would think as long as you've got gain and as long as you've got the boost right here. If you'll recall, I told you where you pop it in and out, that you could work the master level on the volume. Well, apparently that might have something to do with your problem. This board, I'm going to take this board out. I've checked all the capacitors that I can check. Some of them I can't check, but I can pull the board out and check later. But I don't see any component that is blown or burned on this side of the amplifier. On the other side, you have your transformer, your heat sink, and what looks like a lot of processing chips. All right.